Okay, so this is the question. 1. How to show the total score. 2. How to display ranked number. So this is the result here. Total score and rank. Okay, now I select all the cell. I press key delete. Okay, now I have a question. What function they want to show the result in cell? So I will to show with the first question here. If you want to show the result, you should be remove the question mark in cell. Okay, ready? Remove. Next, we need to sum and show result in cell. Just press equal sign. Tab sum. Open bracket. Select the score of the student and close bracket. Press enter. Click this button to show the result all. Okay, ready. Okay, with the first question, so this is the result. So we go to the number 2 question, how to display rank number. So this is the rank number of the student score. I remove the question mark in cell here. So you see that all you need to remember that if you want to find the rank, it should be have the total or average total also. Okay, so I have the total already. I just press in cell here, press equal sign. Next, tab rank or ANK and open bracket. First, you need to click on the first student total, comma, data. Data is mean that you should be select all the score of the student. Next, you need to press F4 and after, comma and 0. Close bracket and enter. Now you should be click on this button to suggest autofill. Okay, so you see that this is the rank of the result after you use this function. Okay, so this is the top score and the number 1. And number 5 is the low score of the student. Okay, one more example. I want to show you with the problem. So this is the problem why we need to press the F4. Okay, so again, equal sign, rank or NK. Open bracket, select the first total, comma, select all the score of the student, and we don't press the key F4, immediately we skip. Next, press comma and 0. Close bracket and enter to show the answer. Okay, so I need to pull down to show all autofill. Okay, so right, I close this. You know that the result is minute. This is number 2, is correct. The score is 295. That is correct, and number 1 is 302. So this is get number 1 also, but we have number 2, 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 students that they got numbers 2, 3 people. So you know that this problem. Okay, alright, we'll explain you that. If you click on the first cell, you know that. So this is the total first, and you compare all the students. Okay, right? So if you click on the second cell and click on this formula, you know that we just skip the first student. Only the next student, it's mean that another student can calculate and compare with the total score, but the first student is not compare. So exactly they will show this the numbers 2. This is the incorrect answer. So exactly my suggestion should be do like that here. And if you want to correct, you just click on the first cell. Next, select on here and press key F4. And after, press enter. Next, you should be click on this and pull down to autofill. So this is the sum answer of this rank cell. Rather than, I want to explain you one more. Did you remember that why we need to press the number 0 on here? Why? So in here we have 2 numbers, number 1 and 0. 0 is mean that the descending is meant to show the number rank like too small, and the number 1 is so small to like rank number in cell. So I will to explain you here. I just press equal sign, type RANK rank function, open bracket, click on the total here first, comma, select all total, press F4 key, comma, and I tap number 1 and close bracket and enter. Next, click on this button to suggest autofill. Okay, so I want you to compare that. You see that, so this is the number 5 of this score. This is the little score that we get in the total that we need to compare. So this is the last score, but if we tap the ascending and we replace the number 1, it means that this number will to show first number. Okay, you see that, so this is the top score, so this is number 1, so it's correct. So here corrects too, but you know that opposite. So this is first, this is last, to show the result of the ascending and descending. And so this is the descending and this is the ascending. And the most time that we show the result, we use the descending. It means that to show the large to small number for range function. Okay, so this is the range function that I explained you, and I hope that you understand, and thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.